The 8th ranked product is SKIL 20 volts brushless 6-1/2 in cordless compact circular saw kit for wood cutting, including 2.0 Ah battery and charger. County Route 6413B to 11. Review score 4.4. Review count 1174 ratings. Price $102.79. The 7th ranked product is Cobalt 24 volt max 6-1/2 in cordless circular saw brake. Review score 4.5. Review count 313 ratings. Price $109.00. The 6th ranked product is Craftsman V20 cordless circular saw 6-1/2 inch. Bare tool only. CMCS 500B. Review score 4.5. Review count 884 ratings. Price $98.61. The 5th ranked product is DeWalt FlexVolt 60 volts max circular saw for framing 7-1/4 inch. Tool only. DCS 577B. Review score 4.6. Review count 1228 ratings. Price $279.99. The 4th ranked product is Craftsman V20 cordless circular saw 7-1/4 inch. Bare tool only. CMCS 550B. Review score 4.7. Review count 245 ratings. Price $194.37. The 3rd ranked product is DeWalt FlexVolt 60 volts max circular saw with brake 7-1/4 inch. Tool only. DCS 578B. Review score 4.7. Review count 1174 ratings. Price $190.00. The 2nd ranked product is DeWalt 20 volts max 6-1/2 inch circular saw kit with 5.0 Ah battery and charger. DCS 391P1. Review score 4.7. Review count 1630 ratings. Price $209.00. The 1st ranked product is DeWalt 20